Hi, I'm Sonia. I work for asset management for East Sussex Highways and I'm an asset management software system lead. I've worked for the council for nearly 9 years now. I started as an apprentice when I was 18 and I've worked in various roles in adult social care. But 3 years ago I decided I kind of wanted to move away from there and now work for East Sussex Highways. What I like about East Sussex County Council and working here is they have a good training programme, so I've done 2 apprenticeships. We also can do different qualifications on the side as well. I started as an apprentice when I was 18 and I started in an admin role and I've worked my way to a specialist and leading a team of engineers and technicians. And now I train other people that don't know much about highways either. In my personal time, I'm a chaplain at Beachy Head and mental health is really important to me. It's really important to me to work for an employer that values the mental well-being of their staff. For excellent training and development, I choose East Sussex.
We choose East Sussex.